Welcome to Santa Cooks.
Welcome to Santa Cooks, guys. So today we're making puff pastry trees. It's a favorite for our Christmas day, a breakfast slash brunch. We do it savory and sweet with the hazelnut spread or any spread that you like. And for the savory, we use the cheese spread.
Don't really. If you're allergic to nuts, don't use nuts.
Yes, because we sometimes sprinkle some nuts on there. Thank you for telling that. And what else do we need to ask them?
Please subscribe to my mom's channel and put a like. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up.
Yes, thumbs up. And please watch to the end because starting with this video and on the upcoming videos, I will be having some BTG at the end, like our takes, our laughs, and how it's going on in here.
And don't forget to watch to the end.
To the end. Thank you.
We're gonna start now.
So all you need for this recipe, some puff pastry. You can make them, but they will take long. It takes long. When I did them last time, it took about 48 hours to get the puff pastry ready. I will show you how it's made in the next video, but for convenience and because I'm a busy working mom, I'm buying the puff pastry already made. You can find it in any grocery store or pastry store. You need candy cans. I crushed my candy cans that I will be using. Hazelnut spread, any hazelnut spread or any spread that you really like. You can even do it with butternut.
I love it with Nutella.
And then some almond flour to sprinkle on top.
So delicious.
Perfect, let's go, let's start. Okay, we'll start by...
Oh, whoa. I forgot to use that.
Pastry.
Pastry. Looks delicious.
You know, right?
Yeah.
So my puff pastry was out of the freezer for overnight to unfroze. So my puff pastry was just a little broken, so I'm just gonna attach it. I just pressed with my fingers and
sorry for the nose. And sorry for the noise. It was my dad.
yeah, sorry for the interruption, Mr.
Derek.
Mr. Derek
And
is picking up Mrs. Sarah out of daycare, and he interrupted us a few times while we were doing this step. So sorry if the image is cut in between, but basically that's what I'm doing. It is cut because it was frozen and maybe it was mishandled when it was frozen.
And if you have a little kid and you're caring about his daycare, try Allegro in downtown. They're perfect.
So my kids love their daycare, and that's true. They are amazing. And because he mentioned it, I'm gonna say thank you, Allegro, and thank you, Marcy, for all the love that you gave my kids, for Malik to just refer people to you right out of the blue in a video. We do love Allegro, so I double that.
And each Friday is taco. You eat tacos. Each Friday you eat tacos at Allegro.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread the whole thing, like the bottom one with my hazelnut spread. You can use any spread
if you're allergic to nuts, do not try Nutella. It smells delicious.
I know.
So
So I'm gonna use 4 spoons. I'm gonna spread them with my spatula.
This doesn't look like a spatula. It looks like a spoon.
Who gave me this spatula?
Me.
Was it a Christmas gift?
No.
Yes, it was.
Really?
Yeah.
I can
You bought it in your
school.
maternelle, like pre-primary class.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pre-primary is the daycare, you know?
Really?
Yeah, pre-primary is daycare. Crème maternelle. It's
Crème
daycare.
maternelle?
No, there's a daycare at school.
No.
There is a daycare at school.
Really?
No, really, not joking. No, seriously. If you go to École Boubassin, there's also a daycare that you can sign up for your kids. But I've never been for, so I don't know how it goes quite. And it's a French daycare.
Okay, thank you for the information.
You're welcome.
For all bilingual in Halifax, you get the information from Melanie.
Oh, it smells delicious. I can't wait to take a piece of this iron cake. And make sure your kid doesn't steal your spread.
That would be Sarah, right? If Sarah would have been here, she would have been looking the spread, right?
And she had been going in the room to see all the gifts. That would be bad, right?
Yeah.
Anyways, happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And happy.
And Happy New Year.
And thank you.
And thank you for watching our video.
And for subscribing,
And
for your comments, likes, and thumbs up.
And share the video with others.
Yeah, and sharing the video. We truly, truly appreciate that you're supporting us. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the button.
Oh my gosh, he's making it in form of Christmas trees.
Oh, guess
I
what?
just really nice it. So we should make a form of Christmas tree, but if you didn't realize, it's alright.
Yeah, so you can spread the whole thing or just do the Christmas tree, and that's how we're gonna cut it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's easier once you do a Christmas tree like that. You know where you're gonna cut.
Right. And now Mama's gonna put the other.
What? I didn't know you were gonna do that. Wait, are you doing that for no reason? What, you're making 2 layers?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that's interesting.
Right. And then now Mommy's gonna cheat and check the bottom part.
Ooh,
And
you better be careful.
as you can see, I cut with the chocolate levels.
Wow, you're smart, Mommy.
Thank you.
Wow, she's really smart, right? Gonna cut.
And then I'm checking my chocolate spread. That's why I had it going on the Christmas tree side.
Yep, take it off. Peel it off. Be careful when you're peeling it off, or else it will not look like a Christmas tree.
Okie dokie.
But my mom's is perfect.
And cut a few branches.
Oh, that's smart, Mommy.
Yeah.
Oh, I have an
Thank you.
idea. Maybe we could put like a candy cane on each branch.
Maybe we can sparkle some candy canes on top of each branch.
Yeah, and put a bunch of candy canes in the middle.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, that'll make it beautiful.
Yeah.
And then put all of the other toppings. Is it done?
Almost.
Yep, almost.
So we're gonna twist all of these.
Twist them?
Yes.
That did not. And be careful once you twist them. You don't want to break them.
Right.
They're very delicate. I didn't remember that we twisted them.
Yes, we did last time, Mama.
I don't remember.
Because they need room, because it's a puff pastry, so it will be getting bigger and bigger. So we want to make sure that each can puff up.
Good.
I know, right?
Yeah, I just wish I could eat it right away.
I know, right?
So what cooking in the puff paste? Do I have to cook
Yeah.
puff paste?
Yeah, we're gonna use all the puff paste.
Well, the puff paste. So why didn't you use this puff paste?
I'm gonna use it now. I hate wasting food, so I'm gonna use every bit of this.
Yeah, we hate wasting food in our family.
We try to use everything.
We got.
Yeah.
That smells so good. I'm just gonna bite it. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, at my jingle bell, Hi!
I'm gonna brush it with some egg yolks.
Oh, actually, I have an idea. Maybe you can cut like over here to look like a branch.
Sure, we'll do that once I brush it, okay? Yeah. So guys, have your oven preheated at 375 Fahrenheit.
Depends on your oven.
Yes, and keep an eye on your oven once you put this to cook. It only cooks for about 10 minutes,
So be ready in no time.
Yeah. Who's ready to try it?
Me.
I think so.
So what are we gonna do with the rest of them?
Yeah, we'll show them.
Okay.
And this was a favorite on last year, 2019 Christmas brunch with some of friends and in Halifax. Hi Janet, hi Marissa, hi Summer, hi Ben.
Yeah.
They really liked it. It was a potluck and I brought
Can we
this.
invite guests to this year too?
2020 we have restriction, remember, in Halifax? Only 10. So we're just having the Halloween.
So we had to invite Camise.
Yeah, but he's invited in his grandma's house. And we cannot have more than 10 in a household, so that's why.
Oh, so we're only going to invite Helena and my friends.
Yes.
Nice.
And I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle
Oh my
Yeah.
god, this is my favorite part.
Hi guys, so I transferred it to a baking sheet, but I would recommend to transfer before even cutting because it made some mess, but it will still look delicious and taste fabulous. I will show you how it looks like in a minute. Yeah, so look at the mess. And into the oven we go for 10 minutes and keep an eye on it.